There he is. There it is. Yay! First look at the car. Wild. Okay. Yeah. Viper windows. Gotta laugh at that, right?
Okay. Mine works every day. Oba.
That's an interesting that's an interesting way to get in, but it works, right? You can just cycle the key on once, and then on the second try, I think it'll start.
What?
Just cycle the key on once, turn it on, and then turn it off, and then turn it on, and it starts.
Oh, okay.
There you go. Should start. Or not. There we go. Looks good here. It's a little close. Hold on. Okay, come on. Come on. It's close to this side, but you're okay as long as you go straight. Yeah, it's this far away from the cable. So keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going. You're good. 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 right, this is going to be the first drive in the Viper. I got it yesterday, but I had to leave right away. I just noticed a big scratch in the windshield. Almost looked like a crack. God, is that a crack or a scratch? Doesn't come out from here. Huge mark right there. It looks like it comes off. So anyway, but there was tires inside of it. I had to figure out how to get the top off. There was a tire in the trunk. So this is the first actual look I've actually had a chance to look at it. And so anyway, we're gonna record the mileage because I'm a little concerned. I heard there's actually a little tiny spider on the mirror already. Welcome to Oklahoma. But there is a noise that I was a little concerned about. And so we're gonna take, I've not driven the car yet. Like I said, okay, we gotta get rid of this spider web here. I don't know what to say about this car. It's impossible to get in and out of. I'm not exactly a huge guy. Wow, that's so weird. Like, the clutch is literally way off to the left. I mean, you know, usually everything's centered. And this is where the gas pedal is. The clutch is way over here. So, anyway, we'll turn on, well, we can see the mileage right there. The mileage is 25,395. Okay, 395. I'm gonna zero it out here, if that works. There we go, 0. So anyway, let's start it up here, and we'll go from there. I don't really know where to put this. I guess I can put it over here on the passenger side. I'll just put my phone over here. Said it takes forever to start, so that's for sure. I'm gonna put this on my head real quick here. Like it's running rich. Just gonna check my camera here. Oh yeah, it's definitely running rich. Definitely running rich. So anyway, first, where's reverse? Here it is. I feel like I'm not forward enough here. I don't know how to move the seats forward though. Better. Had a block underneath the tire I forgot about. Hopefully I didn't scratch the crap out of my... Pretty sure I probably scratched the crap out of my... control, is there? Can't see out of the mirrors at all. Does seem to drive okay. That mirror is exactly where you need to look. Seemed to do just fine. That was a little less than a mile.